Yeah. Okay, so how to reset the Vingcard logs? So for example, you put your password. Yeah. Then you put the password which I give it to you as well. Then you go to upload. Then look for the apartment number. For example, you want to go with, you just say like this, apartment number, like a room number. Yeah. Enter that. Then goes to the program. Once you go to the program, it will come like insert a card and says, so you just click put in the card and you're uploading the datas. It will be a couple of times asking you to remove and putting back in. So you can see this is going to uploading all the datas. Remove the card, insert the card back, and you can hear this noise. Then start so the card, and it says loading the data into the log, and it's finished. When it says finished, we just double check with the other card. Yeah, it's ready.